What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video on Overdrive, and today we'll be taking the 300,000 mile Honda Civic and cleaning out its engine bay. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so if you guys don't know, this is my Honda Civic, and this car has, you know what, let's go check. Alright guys, so this car has 328,000 miles on it, and we'll be taking the engine bay and giving it a full wash. Alright guys, so yeah, this engine has a lot of miles on it, so I'll be taking this and giving it a full clean. I just picked up some stuff from Canadian Tire. It was expensive because it's Canadian Tire, and what I got, so basically guys, all you need is your soap and a brush. I literally just picked this up because it was on the clearance section and you can put soap in it. I'm not going to do that, I just need the brush. And we picked up this Chemical Guys wheel cleaner. There was Auto Gels engine bay cleaner, but I thought like I need wheel cleaner anyway, so like let me just get Chemical Guys, and I like Chemical Guys a lot anyways. Also guys, we did pick up a steering wheel cover for my Honda Civic because obviously the steering wheel is all peeling apart and it's, you know, that Honda steering wheel. So I got a wheel cover. You know, I'm just letting it bake in the sun because it told me to. It's actually very hard to get on, so hopefully it works. Alright guys, so basically all you'll need is that stuff and a bucket and a hose or a power washer. I'm using a power washer. It is not a high PSI power washer, so it won't ruin anything, but you do want to be gentle around electronics, all the wiring and electrical stuff in the engine bay. And if you have any like open end hoses or something like that, like any pipes or anything that are open up, you don't want to get those wet because whatever might be there. Also my air intake, I don't want to get the actual filter wet because then it'll start sucking in air, so don't want to do that. So I'm just going to cover everything and get everything ready. Alright guys, before we get into the video, I just want to say when I went to Canadian Tire and I went to go check out, there was this guy at the cashier or whatever. He was, I think his name was Dane. Shout out to him because he came up to me and was like, he told me he knew about the channel and everything and said it was sick, so I really appreciate that. And I'm just saying guys, like, we're getting out there, we're growing. I go places and like some people know me and it's pretty sick. It's a nice feeling. So I just want to say thank you guys for all the support, and you know, let's get up there on the charts. Let's get it. So that being said, we can get into the video now, so let's start the cinematics. Alright guys, so I bagged up the air intake, and there is the solenoid over here, I'm pretty sure it's called. These don't like to get wet, so I was told to bag this up. And I took my battery just because I don't want anything getting like messed up with the electronics in here. Like I have my sub wire here, and like I'm not trying to get that messed up, so I'll just be gentle around this area. But other than that, we're Gucci. So I'm gonna start on the hood up here, get that all wet. I'm gonna put a bag here so I don't have all this freaking water just flying down, and then when we take the bag off, it'll still be pretty dry, and then we can start that part. So let's get into it.
Don't
Alright guys, so we're running out of daylight and I want to get this done mainly, so this is really hard to get off. Like I can scrape it with my finger and get it off fine, but like the power wash is struggling to take it off, like the brush is struggling to take it off. Those sides are like easier to do because, you know, there's not as much, it's more like around here. So I'm going to continue this probably tomorrow, but I'm going to start on this so I can get this done today maybe. So let's get going. Alright guys, so it is the next day. Yesterday it got too dark so I couldn't finish. I'm with Mateo here and we just picked up some new products.
Alright guys, so we went to Canadian Tire and we got Auto Glim engine and machine cleaner. Hopefully this works because Shane was having a hard time getting this gunk off. It's kind of like caked on. So this degreaser should be, hopefully it's powerful enough to really scrub it off. So it says that we have to keep the surface wet and really agitate it with a brush to kind of get that off. So we'll see if this works.
I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Did it die, yeah. Did it die. Did it die. I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Did it die. Wait. Did it die. Wait. Did it die? Whatever you want, I'll be whatever you want. Just tell me you love me or not, whatever it costs. I know I'm talking a lot, there's something I gotta get off. Don't wanna be this no more, I don't wanna drink no more. Always gotta do the most, thinking that I'm insecure. Really should've listened more, but I don't of course. I'm an asshole, I'm a good guy, I'm your best friend, I'm the worst type. Tell you everything that you heard right, just so I can fuck on the first night. Feel like I'm losing hope, running from coast to coast. I don't know where to go, this all I've ever known. I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. No. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Won't die. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? My aunt think I'm perfect, I know I'm not. My mama be worried, I told her stop. They know I did drugs and think that I'm off. Little do they know I never could stop. My manager hate when I'm pulling up late. Back on my bullshit, she think it's a phase. I got relations I gotta maintain. I'm two different people, my side and my main. Yeah, I'm sober, I'm an addict, I'm a lowlife, I got habits, but I refuse to be average. Really so tired of acting, don't know what I miss no more. Too bad you don't hit me more. I'm bad when I get too bored, careful what you wishing for. I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. No. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Won't die. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Did it die? Did it die? Did it die?
Alright guys, hopefully you guys can see me. It is about to rain and thunder and lightning and all that. so I have to start packing up. The engine bay, I guess, is basically done. I am just probably gonna paint that black right there. It lost a couple paint around here just because the grind was like just so caked on that like it ripped off some of the paint. It's fine. It looks way better than what it looked like before. This is getting changed. We went to the junkyard. I actually have it right over there. We went to the junkyard and I got another one, so I'm gonna paint that red. So wait for that video. Yeah, it looks way better than what it used to. All the grind back there is all gone. All the stuff on here and all that is all gone. It is literally gonna start raining on me. The hood is the last thing left, and then that'll go on. The hood lost a lot of paint too, so I'm probably gonna give that like a couple coats, or maybe like just a couple paint in some spots like this and that, like once I get all the rest of this stuff off. So that'll be another day. This has been 3 days now, just because I always have like just a little bit of time to get a little bit of stuff done, and then I have to do something. So it'll be finished soon, and hopefully this video came out good. So alright guys, so I'm gonna pack up and I'll see you guys when I'm doing the hood on the next day. Well guys, I am back, and so today I can't show you a lot around because this has to do with the next video, so I gotta make sure what I'm showing you guys. Alright guys, so this right here is the hood now. Got rid of all that, and we did end up repainting it. Well, I did. Mateo never came back, so I had to do everything by myself. So I did end up repainting it. I had some paint left over from other jobs I've done on the car. So yeah, that is that. The hood looks amazing, and we are gonna put it on. I don't know if I can put it on by myself, so I might need some help, but yeah. So guys, you guys might not know this, and this is basically a sneak peek. If you haven't followed me on social media, you would know what's going on right now, but if you don't, make sure you do that. So yeah, basically you'll see that some pieces are missing here, and you'll find out why later on. But the engine bay is still looking clean after multiple uses since the last clean, so hopefully to you guys it still looks clean. I'm gonna end up putting the hood back and then show you guys the final results. Let's get into that. Cue the cinematics. Well guys, hopefully that cinematics came out nice. It's kind of hard to do cinematics. Sometimes I do them good, sometimes I do them bad. Well, hopefully you guys like the video. Hopefully the engine bay looks good. I did try my best. Hood looks way better than it was. The engine bay looks way better than it was. But obviously I didn't. I just tried to give it a little touch up. Since the last time I did clean the engine bay, since this is obviously like weeks after. So it still looks pretty much clean. Looks way better than before. I did paint that piece. I said I wasn't going to do it, but I just put it on just because. So I did paint the heat shield for the headers. And everything looks better now. I am still debating if I do want to paint this piece or not. Still debating if I want to do that. Well guys, hopefully you guys liked the video. I did try my best, and hopefully the engine bay looks good. Hopefully this helped you guys if you have a nasty engine bay like this. Usually engine bays, when we do these videos, like when car guys do these videos, the engine bays aren't this dirty, it's just because I think it was the rust protection on them. I had that all over the car, so I got rid of that all, and obviously he protected everything. And hopefully the video came out good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, or share with a family member. Leave a comment, you know, tell us how this video is, if you like this video, if you want different style videos. Give us ideas, because we're open to them. With that being said, see you guys in the next video. Peace.